Today we will learn to construct an angle of 45 degree with the help of a ruler and compass. So the first step is to make a line segment of any measurement. I will make it of 10 centimeter. This is line segment. We can name the line segment as A, B of 10 centimeter. Then take a compass of any radius. Keep the compass tip at point A and draw an arc. This is the arc. Then keep the compass tip at point C and make an arc to intersect the previous drawn arc. And then again make an arc from the previous drawn arc. Take the point as this point, which is D, and make an arc to intersect this arc. This is the arc. And then with the same radius, do not change the radius, make an arc from point E in the upward direction, and then make an arc from point D to intersect the previous drawn arc. These are the arcs. Okay. So now join this line segment. So angle FAB is of 90 degree. So we have constructed an angle of 90 degree, and if you notice 45 plus 45 is 90 degree. So we will have to make a perpendicular bisector of 90 degree, and then we will get 45 degree. So first we can make a perpendicular bisector. You take the radius, you will make a perpendicular bisector of the line segment AB, and the radius should be more than half of AB. Now keep the compass tip at point C, and then keep the compass tip at point G. Do not change the radius. Now these are the arcs which are drawn by us, and then join this line. So as you can notice, angle HAB is of 45 degree. We can check it by a protractor. See, this is of 45 degree. This is of 45 degree. The steps for this construction was that first we constructed a line segment AB of 10 centimeter, and then we kept the compass tip at point A, and with any radius we had made an arc, and then we kept the compass tip at point C, and with the same radius we made an arc to intersect the previous drawn arc. Then keeping the compass tip at D and not changing the radius, that means with the same radius we made an arc to intersect the first arc. This is point T. So then keeping the compass tip at point T and with the same radius we made an arc in the upward direction, this arc, and keeping the compass tip at point D with the same radius we made an arc in the upward direction to intersect the previous drawn arc. Now we had joined this line segment F. This angle FAB is of 90 degree. Now to have an angle of 45 degree we had to make a perpendicular bisector of AB. So we kept the compass tip at point G, taking the radius more than half AB. We made an arc here, this arc, and keeping the compass tip at point C and not changing the radius, that means the same radius, we made an arc to intersect the previous drawn arc. Then we joined this line segment which is AH, and angle HAB is equal to 45 degree.